Thank you for choosing the iSpring shower filter. With proper installation and maintenance, this water filter will provide you with clean and refreshing shower water for years to come. Please follow the instructions in this video for proper installation procedures. Before we begin, please ensure all parts were included in the package that your shower filter arrived in. iSpring shower filter fits a 1/2-inch threaded shower arm or wand and requires no tools for the installation. Step 1. Turn on the faucet and hold the shower filter under the faucet to flush out excess carbon particles for 20 seconds. Turn the shower filter over and flush the other direction for another 20 seconds. Please flush the new filter cartridge with the same method when replacing it. Step 2. Detach the shower head from the shower arm or remove the shower mount if you have a hand shower. Apply 4 to 6 wraps of plumber's tape around the threads of the shower filter. Step 3. Place a washer between the tape-wrapped end of the shower filter and the shower head. Hand tighten the shower head to the shower filter by turning it clockwise. Step 4. Wrap plumber's tape around the shower arm threads 4 to 6 times. Place the other washer in the top connection of the shower filter. Hand tighten the shower filter to the shower arm by turning it clockwise. Congratulations! Your iSpring shower filter installation is now complete. Please replace the filter cartridge accordingly. Refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you for watching.